Let's create a clean and realistic newspaper highlight effect in CapCut. First, add a text layer and type a single space. Open the text settings and set the background color to yellow. Now, stretch this yellow rectangle so it fully covers the newspaper page and turn it into a compound clip. Go to Blend and drop the opacity to 50%. Next, open the Mask tab, add a mask, and choose the Pen tool. Roughly outline the words you want to highlight. Don't aim for perfection. A slightly uneven outline looks far more natural. Add a little point fading. Remember, you can come back anytime and refine the mask shape. Now return to Basic and bring the opacity back to 100%. Make this yellow layer a new compound clip. Open Mask again, add a split mask, rotate it to 90 degrees, and set feathering to about 15 points. Move to the start of the clip and place the mask line at the very beginning. Create a mask keyframe. Move forward a few frames, add another keyframe, and slide the mask line all the way across. If the animation feels slow, just bring the keyframes closer. Make another compound clip. Go to Blend and choose Multiply. The highlight now blends naturally with the newspaper. Set your keyframe easing to cubic out for a smoother motion. Finally, select both layers and create one last compound clip. If you want a final touch, open the Combo section and pick Distort Left or Distort Right for a subtle motion effect. And that's it! You've created a clean, realistic, animated highlight effect in CapCut.